Hello, my name is Izukimaru. This is Origami Academy. Today I'm going to make gift. This crane gift. You can put things inside of this crane. Sorry. You can put things inside. I'm gonna use a piece of paper, origami, and string. And hole punch, so you can make this hole. Now let's get started. So this is same way to make crane actually. First of all, you're going to fold half and fold half. After that, you're going to make a square. Turn this. Finger here. And then make sure this line and this line come together. And then here. Square this. So after this side, this line and this line come together, so like this. Turn this over. I'm going to do the same thing here and here. After that, you can open, and then you open this area, and then there is a line. You made it, so you follow with the line you made it. You made this. The other side same is a line, so you can follow with. You can fold. Like this. So turn over this. Same. Follow with the line you made. Fold. Follow with the line you made. After that, you're going to open this side. Okay, this there is the part is divided. So this side, this line, and this line come together. You can fold like this. Okay, so other way. You can fold like this. After that, this part you can fold like this as much as you can. This way. The other side, you can fold as much as you can. This, you can open this. Sorry, you can fold this. And here, can open this. So this is the gift part, the box part of the crane. Okay, so after that, it's very simple. So now here you can wanna make a face of the crane. Done, pretty much done. So you can put anything inside here. But I want to make this as a box. So I'm going to use this, and then you can make a hole of this wing. Anyway, it's fine. I think you can make a hole center of the wing like this, like this. And if you have a string, put it like this, and done. This is a grand gift box. Thank you for watching my video. If you like my video, please subscribe and hit the like button, and share this video with your friend, and give me a comment what origami you want to see in my channel. Thank you. Enjoy your origami life.